Hello students, let us continue exercise 11C compound interest. Now we discuss first example. Find the compound interest on rupees 15,625 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum when compounded and half yearly. Compounded half yearly. Half yearly mean compounded 6 months. First we write rate 8% per annum, change in half yearly, so we write 4% per half yearly. And similarly, time 1.5 years equal to 1.5 years change in 1.5 years change in half years, so we write 3 half years. 1 year has 2 half years. 1 year has 2 half years. 1.5 year has 3 half years. Now first we write principal equal to 15,625 rupees. Time equal to 1.5 years. 1 year has 2 half years and 1.5 years has 3 half years. 1 half years is 6 months. So 1.5 years write as 3 half years. Similarly, rate 8% per annum, change in half year. So we divide this rate by 2, we get 4% per half yearly. 4% per half yearly. Now we find compound interest. First we find amount. Amount equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 power t. Amount equal to rupees 15,625 bracket 1 plus rate 4 upon 100 power t. Now rupees 15,625 multiply 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 25 1 ja 25 plus 1 26, 26 upon 25. Write that is 3 times. 26 upon 25. Power is 3, so we write 3 times. 25 1 ja 25. 25 6 ja 150. We get 6. 6 to 62. 25 2 ja 50. 62 minus 50, that is 12. 12 5 125. 25 5 ja 125. 25 1 ja 25. 25 2 ja 50. 62 minus 50, that is 12. 12 5 125. 25 1 ja 25 5 ja 125. 25 1 ja 25. 25 1 ja 25. We get rupees 676. 26 multiplied 26, 676 multiply 26. Amount is equal to rupees 676 multiplied 26, we get 17,576. This is your answer. Now we find compound interest, so we write compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Value of amount is 17,556 minus principal rupees 15,625. So compound interest is equal to rupees 1,951. This is your answer. Now second example. Find the compound interest on 1,60,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum when compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually mean half yearly. Semi-annually mean half yearly. Now time 2 years. Write in half years form, so we write 4 half years. 1 years contain 2 half years. 2 year contains 4 half years. Similarly, rate 10% per annum, change in half yearly, so we write 5% per half yearly. Rate divided by 2, so we write 5% per half yearly. Now second example. Principal equal to rupees 1,60,000. Rate equal to 10% per annum. Write as 5% per half yearly. Time equal to 2 years. 2 years is equal to 4 half years. Amount equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100. Power T. Amount equal to rupees 1,60,000. 1 plus rate is 5. So we write 5 upon 100. Power 4. 5 and 5. 5 to the 10. 500. Amount is equal to rupees 1,60,000 multiply 20 plus 21 is 20. 20 plus 1. 21 upon 20. Write 4 times. 21 upon 20. 21 upon 20. 21 upon 20. 4 0 0 0 0 0 cancel by 4 0. 2 1 ja 2 8 ja 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. Amount is equal to rupees 24 multiplied 24, that is 441. 21 multiplied 21, 441. Amount is equal to, now amount is equal to rupees 441 multiply 441, we get rupees 1,94,481. Now CI is equal to amount minus principal. Rupees 1,94,481 minus 1,60,000. So compound interest is equal to rupees 34,481. This is your answer. Do exercise 11C in your fair notebook. Thank you.